Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Busaya Shitu Saladin here. I guess this video is gonna be named How to Do Makeup Like a Non-Pro, right? Something like that. Okay, so what I usually do is I have all my kits here and I'm gonna show it to you. I watched one YouTube video that said put all your stuff, stack it in a dollar store stuff. So I went to get my ice tray and then threw all the ice out and then put on my shadows here. This is just some of it. And then he also said you could put your brushes or something, which I did. This is not a dollar store glass, but I took one glass from my house and I put all my brushes here. So and then it said, so he didn't necessarily tell me this, but this is one stuff I got from Burlington, and I decided to put some of my, it didn't fit in, some of my I think I got it for $2.99, so it's still a dollar stuff, right? It's just how to, you know, make things work. So I put some of it here, and then I have some other items here. It's just garbage, powders, oil, and everything. So what I usually start with when doing my makeup is, now I'm on YouTube and everything disappeared. All right, back to the video. I usually start with something. Aha, it's the rose water. See, so this video is about how to do makeup like a non-professional. So because I don't think I am one, so this is my rose water facial spray. Sometimes I never remember to use this thing, but just for the sake of YouTube today, I'm gonna do it. Remember, this is a non-pro makeup, okay? So do not kill me, do not chastise. I'm gonna do this however it works, right? When I do that, then I pick the brush and then try to brush this out first, you know. So I mean, there's so many things going on right now, and I kind of feel it to be unheard of if I don't talk about coronavirus. Man, that was what going into my throat. So so when I do that, then the very next thing I do is, sometimes I do powder first, the foundation first. Sometimes I just do the brows first. It depends on whatever is happening at that moment, okay? So this is my pencil. This is what I've always been used to, and this is what I'm still going to be using. This pencil I got from Nigeria. I'm so used to it that I don't think I'll be letting it go anytime soon. So then I do my brows. Sometimes it listens to me, sometimes it doesn't. Just let you know, I'm not a pro. However it comes to me is however I take it. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't. So that's me doing my brows. Then I do the other one. This brow is not shaped. So remember, this is a video about a non-professional makeup artist, because I don't know how everybody does it on YouTube and they seem to get it right, you know, or where they started from. I always think, did everybody go to a makeup school or something? Because I never seem to get it right. But it always comes out looking, and I'm like, God, how do ordinary people, you know, manage with this? So I know I'm supposed to use a spoolie for this, and then you still have to learn names of stuff. And I'm supposed to use a spoolie for this, but I think my spoolie broke and I ordered another one online. And then the very next thing I do is I pick up the concealer whenever I can find it. I use it to draw the, I think the concealer does the help. And the concealer is also missing. Oh God, what did I? This video should be messed up video. Oh, I found it. And so they said, put this on your whatever, and then This video is already a disaster. I don't think I'll be doing this anytime soon. Because, nah, this is not working. Oh, this is horrible. I can promise you guys, my makeup turns out better than this, but for some reason, I think it's because I don't have everything close to me. And I tell you, makeup, I don't know how those guys do it. Even when they're not feeling bad or when they're feeling sad, everything still comes out good. It depends on my mood. You can tell by my makeup or my mood. If it comes out looking flawless, just know I'm in good spirits. If it doesn't, know something happened that pissed me off. Like my brows today is looking like I got pissed off. And I didn't. Moving on, I'm gonna move on to the what did I call it? Foundation. I'm moving on to the foundation. And I never know which brush goes with which. And I know I'm supposed to go on YouTube and learn brushes and all that, but I'm just so tired, you know. Kind of feel like there are so many things to do with your life, you know. I just want to get by, move on. There's a reason why you have makeup artists, you know. So I just go pick any brush I like, and then however the spirit leads me, do my makeup. How you guys holding on? I have to ask. How you holding on with this stay home coronavirus situation? I must say I've gotten so paranoid, and makeup is touching my hair. I've gotten so paranoid and everything just happens. Everybody's staying at home. I'm homeschooling, dying from homeschooling, and it's just 1 week. And it was fun the first few days. These days, just the 1 week after, and everybody's just getting pissed. Okay, moving on. So then I do the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is the worst of it all. I never get it right. I try so many times. This BH cosmetic, whatever, is what I try to use. I never know which powder, which brush goes with which. I see some, they first do the inner one, they use something brown. Watch me. Oh shoot, I think I'm supposed to put the primer underneath. And I keep, I ask so many people, why does my eyeshadow not show? Is it because I don't put the primer on? I don't know. See? I watch people's videos and their primer, the eyeshadow shows. When I watch mine, it doesn't show. And I'm like, what did I do wrong? It's still not showing. Can I just stick to clothes making? Because that's what I'm good at. I once asked someone and the person said, oh, it's because you're not using the brushes right. And I thought it was the makeup, the eyeshadow that I was using. So I went and got myself another set of eyeshadow. Guess what? Same thing still happened. So if you guys have any ideas or if you have any tutorial, so can you see? Oh god, I'm dead. Can you see? No, it's definitely not working. I think this is just not one of my days. I promise you, sometimes my makeup are so beautiful, like people ask me, but I guess because I just named this makeup tutorial of not to be a pro, and I just do this, and that is so loud. But I'm gonna tone it down, and I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown. Isn't that weird? Like I spend money on makeup, but it still won't come out looking perfect. And I do this. I never bother with the linings to line the lips or whatever. I'm like, okay, who cares? Really, who cares? But one thing I know that I love to do is to put on eyeliner. I love to blind my inner eyes. I think it was because back when I was in Nigeria, I used to live in the northern part of the country because I schooled there, and then see, who cares about perfect makeup, really? Then sometimes I do this. How voila. Who cares? Who cares if your makeup is looking? Oh, just look clean, okay? Just look clean. And that's that. No, I'm missing some things. I have to put on my setting powder. So I'm gonna put on the setting powder, which I think I messed up the brushes. I think I used the brush that I used for my foundation. I don't care right now. And someone said, oh, don't wipe up, don't do this, don't drag. That dust it in. So I started dusting it in. Dust, 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 dust. Okay, so out of all this makeup, the only thing I like is the lips. I love the lips. Let me tell you what I also like to do when I'm doing makeup. I like to put on highlights, because that one nobody can take it away from me. I don't care if I'm doing it right. I don't care if it's popping from here to whatever. I'm gonna do my highlights, and I'm gonna let it pop. Because I don't know whoever started that highlight, but kudos to you. If you started the highlights, kudos to you. So I got this Bobbi Brown something, and I just I don't care. And I put it here because I kind of just feel the shiner your nose is. The more your haters, it's gonna blind your haters. Haters gonna hate, so blind them. And I put it here too. And then I put it here too, just because I want my forehead shining. Or I saw in some video that if you put it there, that's your T-zone. They say this is a T-zone. So I put it there too. And I think it's too shiny. So I'm just gonna use this. So this is a makeup for a non-pro. Sometimes you get it right, sometimes you don't. This is one of these I don't get it right. But guess what? I don't care. Because I know you guys, sometimes too you don't get it right. You know? And I think I'm going to wipe off a little. Let me tell you what else I love to do. I love to put on blush. So I use this, put on blush here. Just because I kind of feel like the blush serves two purposes. Serves as like a contour kind of thing. And also, you know, gives you that rosy kind of effect. Okay. So this is my makeup, and then I'm gonna put on the setting spray. Voila! I'm gonna style my hair, and then you can see how my makeup be pop. Oh my god, I forgot something. I forgot my mascara. No lashes, just because I don't think regular people do lashes. Okay. All right. Why does everybody put their hearts and they're pushing lashes on? You see that it's still not gonna work like that. Did it work? Did the lashes work? Did it work? Nah, it didn't work. But it's okay. Just because we ain't no pro. Boom, fist bump like that. So when I bring it back on, hi, welcome back. Okay, so this is the finished look. And this is Remember, this video is about how to do makeup like a non-pro, because guess what, not everybody is gonna be perfect at doing makeup, and then not everybody that is perfect at doing makeup is not gonna be on YouTube. And so this is my video on how to do makeup like a non-pro, but I don't think it's bad, really. I think it's fine. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please help this girl, this new YouTube girl, help her be a YouTuber. Don't let me get, stuck at 20 videos and I'm like, okay, I don't care anymore. So, let me, because I think I have so much potential to share on YouTube. I have so much in me that I know I can share, but I don't know how it goes yet. Like, for example, I don't know how to do editing yet. I don't have a camera yet. I'm still using my phone, but I kind of think that's not the important thing. Because guess what? I like the makeup thing. I got all different kind of makeup stuff, and I still don't know how to do makeup like a pro. YouTube should be about like focusing on the maybe good lights, good, I'm using my sunlight right now and my little camera lights. But I don't think I should focus on getting a camera first and everything or whatever. I think it kind of will go with the flow as I move. I'll learn a thing or two as I keep doing videos. So yeah, so this is it. So please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, because I'll keep putting up videos. I've been doing a lot of research and I see that people upload videos like 2 or 3 times a week. I thought it was just like once a week, but no. So this coronavirus stay at home period, I will be uploading videos, as I go. I hate to do makeup every day because I feel it takes most of my time, but sometimes you might see me doing makeup, or maybe I would have done it and then I don't know. I'm not even promising anything, but like I promise to put videos up. I'm not promising that you get makeup on my face every time, but I promise that you get makeup. No, that's not what I wanted to say. I wanted to say I promise that you will get this hair. I promise that you get videos from me, interesting videos, things to talk about. So watch out for my next YouTube video. Click on the notification bell, the bell. I hear a lot of YouTubers say that. Click on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more from me. If you have any ideas of how I can improve as a YouTuber, please let me know. All right, thank you very much. Because yeah, how to do makeup like a non-pro. All right, guys, thank you very much. Bye.